So let's do some color matching, okay? These little samples, these little liquid foundation color samples are a great way to find a good color match for you. Okay, so in these little pockets, there's a little primer pocket and 5 shades of liquid foundation. These are all in your range of color possibilities. So what you wanna do is do your color matching in your best possible natural light, like during the day. Not in bright direct light, but just like a nice indirect light. I'm standing in front of a window right now, so I'm getting good outdoor light. You don't want to do this at night. You don't want to do this with any makeup on your face. Do it when you have clean skin, good natural light, and that's the perfect time to do the color sampling. Okay, so you're going to get the best, truest view of how the product looks against your skin. Actually, there was enough there to do my whole face, okay, but you're not going to need to use that much. But when you find the shade that you like, you can apply it to your whole face. So what I would do first is give these a good squish, okay? Because this is mineral makeup, it can separate, so you want to squish it around good, get it good and mixed up. Now this white one here on the end, this is primer. And primer is great to apply underneath your makeup base. And I'm going to just tear off the top of this. There's like a little pre-cut little thing on the side to open it, and just squeeze this out. Again, I'm gonna do one side of my face. So I'm just gonna apply a little bit here. I can tell there's just about enough. You really need very little. It goes very far. But I'm just going to really focus on this side of my face, because this is where I'm going to apply my color samples. Just apply that down like that, okay, and get rid of that. Right where this little color, this little slit is, I'm just going to take a pair of scissors and cut it all at once. And I'm going to squish down the product so it's inside the packet, so it's not going to squeeze out when I open it, all right? And that'll let me control it a little bit more. So I'm just going to cut across here, just straight across all the packets at once, since I am trying them all. Okay, okay, so I'm going to apply a little teeny tiny drop, little bit, in little stripes on my face. I'm gonna go from my face down into my neck area. Okay, so I can kind of see which color best suits both parts of my face, because you kind of want to match it more to your neck. Tough part about our necks is that our face kind of shields our neck. It's almost like a little awning, and so your neck isn't as dark as your face usually in certain spots. So, and then your chest is darker than your neck, so it's like, your neck is lighter, so you're kind of in this like it's darker, lighter, darker. Which one do I match? What do I do? Okay, so you're kind of finding the shade that kind of unifies it all, pulls it all together, and works with both. Okay, so the best way to do that is take these little samples, okay, and just, I'm gonna take each finger and do literally a drop, tiniest little bit, because I don't want to take a big old glob, because I put it on, it's not going to give me an accurate color. It's going to be too much product, so it's going to look, the shade's going to look too dark. It needs to go in a thin coat, just like it would on your face when you apply the actual product for makeup. You want just a nice, whatever coverage you want, but you don't want to put a big old glob because it's not going to look right. Does that make sense? Okay, so now I'm going to start back here as farthest and just start up here and come down into my neck. And just pull it down a little bit and kind of blend it. Okay, and I'm looking for the shade that just kind of disappears. All right, now I'm gonna go to my next finger. Again, a little teeny tiny drop. Woo, just a touch. A little goes a long way. I mean, I can do my whole face with like 5 or 6 drops of this. So one drop is a lot. And I mean a little, like teeny drop. Okay, so from there, go right next to it, move over a little bit, and just pull down. I go a couple, just to kind of blend it, so I really get a good sense of what the color would look like if I was applying it on my face as makeup. Okay, now I'm gonna go over to the next finger again. So you get the idea here. Just a tiny dab. That's plenty, that's a lot. All right, and now this one. Just a little dab. That one's pretty dark. We'll see. You know, it's just like paint colors. When I pick out a color, when I see it, I think, oh, that's not gonna be right. And then I put it on and use it, and I feel like I'm always surprised. Okay, I can see how that gets a little dark down my neck. Okay, so now I'm going to, it's hard for me because I can't see. I'm going to take a photo and be able to see what all the different colors look like on my face and see which one is the best. All right, so can you see that there? Little stripes going down my neck. I'm going to be able to see, you probably can see it better than I can right now, which color is going to best unify my face.